Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, okay.
No.
Yeah, start now.
Record or what?
Yeah, recording.
Recording.
Okay,
Okay, no more.
no more. Go home. Swiper. Oh no, who will take the bus? Sorry to him. Yeah. Drive safely. Oh, laki ng truck di. Ito sa likod.
Ang kamay mo. Okay.
Maybe more truck. Oh no, cannot see. Can't see the road.
I can see the side mirror because of your hand. I can.
Okay. Going home. Anong time kayo pinauwi?
Dati oras.
Okay. See, snowstorm.
Pinindot ko.
Ay, pinalinaw ko na Matheson.
Okay.
Dark.
I like to drive.
Non-stop. Maybe no work tomorrow.
I like to drive, you know.
We don't
Winter.
know. Maybe it's continue. It's not. Maybe today only. Tonight it's everything is
No,
clear.
the snow will stop tomorrow 5 a.m.
Huh?
Tomorrow 5 a.m.
Yeah.
morning.
Yeah, according to my
How we can...
weather forecast weather.
Tomorrow 5 a.m. morning, right? Not
Yes,
Yeah.
morning.
Oh, okay.
Stop 5 a.m.
I don't know it will change or not.
Five o'clock now. What?
4:54.
See, I'm wasting my time in on the road. So, very slow moving.
Yeah.
The car very slow. Ingat barang deh. Overtake tayo. Meron lang.
No, don't overtake. Drive safely. Safety first.
Oh, there's
That's okay. Don't overtake. It's okay. We can go home late. No problem.
that's
The
it.
important is the safety. You see, snowstorm. Too much. Start of winter, huh?
The breeze is coming like breeze is
Look, you can see the...
taon ba?
See, there's nothing there. What's this?
Oh.
Oh, dumulas. Maybe slippery.
No.
What happened?
The tire is no good.
Yes. I think that's all season tire. Unlike my dad, I have a winter tire.
I asked Clark, don't go to school. He said no school today.
No school close.
Cancel. Close. Oh my. maganda yung sa'yo.
Why didn't you take a picture?
Na here.
Already there?
Yeah.
You can take the tree.
Yes. Now I get my other phone.
How many phone you have?
Two. I have one small tree.
Oh, that one is not line, right?
Yeah.
Just for the record.
Yeah, record. This for my son's phone, she changed. But this new, this 12 Pro,
iPhone 12?
iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Oh.
Yeah. He like a small phone because maybe when he work too big, so he bought the latest one, iPhone 13 3 cameras. These 3 cameras, but iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah, the trees. Yeah, see, lots of snow.
You like it, right?
Yes, I like it. Nag-go-pers ka. Hindi, maganda yung puno doon. Sa Rose Cherry. Oh, in Kennedy. Wow, too much, you see? If your car not all-wheel drive, difficult. If two-wheel drive only. You see this car, I think two-wheel drive.
Front-wheel drive.
Front-wheel drive.
Good, today my daughter's no school.
Yeah.
And the way I had to pick up and she coming late.
Yeah.
It's good.
Nice, good.
Hindi ka Clark, all-wheel drive naman ka Clark. Walang problema.
All-wheel drive yan.
Oh, all-wheel drive.
Buti may kasama still mga pusa. Clark na ito lagi. Nakababad kayo. Is Matheson.
Papauwi yung mga hapon.
Alang night shift, alang work.
Papauwi. Kasi
Tinawagan na.
pumasok
Sa inyo ba may pasok? Hindi na din papasok yan kasi
Ayun, doon ka na nga sila. Baka pauwi na.
ay anda.
Papauwi sila. Pabis ka nila pauwi.
Look at the gosh. I thought no more snow because long time no snow.
Yes.
Yeah, look at the trees.
It started today. Heavy snow.
Starting, not started.
Starting today.
I take photo.
Until summer.
And Saturday evenings in auto, right?
Snow
Yeah.
also?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
The TV showing, I don't know, maybe they changing or not.
Yeah.
See? Here. Starting traffic.
it's not too high. How many centimeter? Now traffic.
Nothing.
That's okay. I put this one.
Hindi, stop natin ba?
Stop ma or
Ayaw mo na, hindi akong...
hindi, continue mo hanggang pa yan ang gagamitin ka. No heater?
Kung sa ayos.
Heater is off?
No, no, no.
Na.
Oh,
I
it's
put-
otherwise freeze.
No, I put in a low.
Limit ka. Later below.
Feel cold?
Yeah.
Sahila?
Yeah, little
Huh? Why?
Yeah, my legs cold. I feel cold.
See? Traffic, right? My God.
Traffic on the snow. Traffic on the road because of the snow.
The one guy is on the road
Oh
walking.
no, why he walking?
He's walking because our place is not clean.
Walking. Oh no.
He's walking.
Yeah, traffic. What is this, Tomken? Or Dixie?
Silly.
Yeah,
Okay.
he sleep. He sleep because we travel.
Will you
long
wake up?
Hour.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, too much.
My God, why? See?
Traffic.
Take a picture too.
Yeah.
That one is nice. Christmas tree.
Yeah, Christmas tree. Long trees. So much Christmas tree here in Canada. I'm thirsty. We have water. Sila, you thirsty? I think have water there.
I haven't. I
Yeah.
haven't. That's why driving this car is beautiful.
Yeah. Oh no. You go to work.
You go main road. These are the small road is nobody drive. It's very hard to drive.
Yeah.
Main street is good.
Oh, my God.
When I take the bus like that, heavy snow. The bus not coming yet. Sorry to the people who take the bus. I'm graduate on the bus.
In the bus.
Ride on the bus. Oh no.
You put the seat cover. Where you buy the seat cover?
And
Canadian.
Canadian tire.
Canadian tire?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's a cheap. You know the expensive one is leather.
Ah. This one has a more summer, right?
Huh?
More summer.
Yeah.
So,
Canadian tire they have it. Oh.
Canadian tire.
Standard size or different size?
I think standard size. That's a universal.
Ah.
No, you can choose for RAV4,
Oh, size,
XLE like
Yeah,
that.
but this one is universal.
It's that universal.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
universal.
Look at the trees. So much snow.
But the seat behind,
Hmm.
I want to buy also.
The one we didn't buy.
Yeah.
That's why we put cover.
Ah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I want to buy some my husband car.
Yeah. You can see on Canadian Tire.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks.
Amazon have it too, right?
Yeah, Amazon. Amazon, so many there. Yes. See, oh no, walking on the snow. Oh no, difficult. I see myself when I take the
Yeah, me
bus.
too.
Oh,
Yeah, it's okay because they are boyfriend and girlfriend. So
They move.
Yeah, they are happy. I think.
He didn't experience to take the bus.
No, I experienced for
Little
one.
bit, but
for 1 year.
no, you have a carpool.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because before he's not take the G1 yet because he just came. So he has a carpool, head carpool. See traffic.
When I start the work, I know how to drive the car.
Yeah,
I use the car.
yeah.
After marriage, I go to school and then
Oh, yeah.
my son born and second son born. And
Yeah.
then after 4 years and then I start to work. So, I'm not taking bus. In school time, I take the bus.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
the best. I have ginger candy, Saila. Yeah. I bought in where I bought this in Winners.
Yeah?
Yeah, Winners.
Winner, I thought.
Near on the counter.
Ah.
Wow, more. See? It's no heavy. Oh, long traffic. We go to Cherry because long traffic is Rose Cherry.
This is 4:30, but
You see on the top very cloudy. There is no lots. Maybe all the flights cancelled.
yeah, today maybe.
Yeah. More snow. Oh my goodness. Di, yung gilid ng bugahan ng heater, palahin mo doon. At tiyak mga babarahan yan. Baka lumakas pa snow. Nice. Look. I want to take photo here. That place. All right.
What happened?
This road is okay.
Yeah.
But they
Oh no, all white.
Oh, look at this. Wow. Right?
Beautiful.
White Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's 5:14.
White Christmas. Look like big Christmas. And then you put Christmas light. Beautiful. Oh my. Sana mag-locator natin pag Hindi, palahin mo lang yung ano, ba mabarahan na naman. Kaya nagloko na yun. Dito ka didumaan na yung mga puno dito. Heavy snow. We're here.
I like it.
Yeah, all white. Look at the highway too.
highway moving well.
Huh? Oh yes.
Highway.
Yeah. No traffic, right?
Yeah. Maybe priority to clean is the highway because dangerous. Yeah, look. Look at look. Timid truck na to. Blind.
Aram sa pagluluto niya lusog na kaya.
Nakapagluto.
Oh, marunong luto sila. Umaga magluluto sa atin. trees.
Yes, beautiful.
White tree, white.
Yes.
White.
White Christmas.
Yeah. This car. Dapat ba madalas ka dyan? Nakakabangga. Look at the highway. Highways. Traffic. Yes. Another truck. This two is
Yeah. The two truck. Main cause of traffic.
Yes.
Yes. See, look at the traffics.
Yeah, they need
Very
to
long line.
come here.
See, look.
It's
Yeah.
not moving the car.
Yeah, it's not
Yeah, they
moving.
need to come here.
Earlier, they have a two truck,
Yeah.
but right now 3 truck
Oh,
stranded.
no.
Maybe they didn't change their tire.
Yes.
They need to call the police to make that traffic. How to move the. See, so much car. They can't move. How you can move here? This Kennedy Road. Mississauga. Yung nag-U-turn na iba, oh. They U-turn. How they can move. Okay.
Red.
Oh no.
Okay. See, oh. So
Non-stop.
another batch of vehicles going there,
Yeah,
right?
maybe they block the. Don't go.
Yeah, go find other way.
Yes.
Go back.
Yeah.
Go back.
Go and fly.
Go back. All trucks. What happened to that truck? See, traffic.
Oh, here.
Yeah. Now, what time is it now? 5:22. Yeah, we can go home 6.
Same thing.
Same thing, yeah.
Same time.
Yeah. Yes. Traffic heavy. Yeah, pag snowstorm, heavy traffic. Maybe if it's snowstorm, all the big trucks stay in one place. They can cause of traffic. I
Yes.
I touched the. I check my other phone. Oh wait, Salad is good.
I eat.
Yeah,
Didn't.
eat more.
No, it's okay. I
Bye bawang.
Tyler, do you want water? You have water over there.
no, I have.
You have it?
Yeah. My water bottle is half of this one.
Miss no.
150. Yes.
5 cents.
See,
higher.
look. It's getting high.
Yeah.
150.
Yeah, yesterday is lower.
So what's more now?
Yesterday 145, right?
Yes.
7. Over there 155, I think. Maybe 5 cents more.
You can sing. Sing, yeah.
I feel sleepy.
I go live.
How to cook rice noodles?
Rice noodles? You,
Yeah.
Hey, bit crappy.
you wanna cook rice?
We're still on the
Rice
road.
noodles?
Yeah. Amanda?
Rice noodles?
Yeah.
We can buy that.
Yeah, I know the rice noodles.
Yeah.
I cook, but
You know.
everything
How
is-
to cook. Pansit. We call pansit noodles.
Yeah.
Yeah, easy.
You put water or what?
Water. Boil.
You fry with onion, garlic. It's the long noodles, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then do you eat chicken? You
Yeah,
boil
yeah.
the chicken,
Yeah.
and then you fry. After boiling, you ano himayin?
But that oil, you put oil.
Yeah, and then cut the chicken into little with your hands like this,
Yeah.
and then you put fry with the oil. Then if the oil warm or hot, you put the garlic, onion, fry.
Vegetables or something.
Yeah, onion, garlic, After that, soy sauce,
Soy sauce.
dark soy sauce, huh?
Yeah.
And then chicken, black pepper, and that's it. You put vegetable like carrots, cabbage, beans, etc. Anything,
Anything,
yeah, you put,
broccoli or
yeah,
something,
you cook that, and then
Noodles.
noodles. The last, you put little bit chicken broth.
And water, right?
Yeah, little bit, and then you put the noodles. The noodles. Ay, wait I begin here.
And then put the noodles and add it little bit water.
Yeah, and then black pepper, and then you taste it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because I cook separate noodles. As noodles, everything is water.
Oh.
That's why I want.
Oh, too much
Yeah.
water.
No, the thick noodles,
Yeah.
same thing, right? Boil the water.
Yeah.
I put noodles and again strain, and then noodles. Everything is like a what's it called?
Yeah.
Mashed potato.
Yeah.
Like a mashed potato.
Don't cook too much the noodles.
Yeah. After that, I never buy that one. I like it. I go to my brother.
Okay, one time if I cook, I'll give you.
No, I went to brother-in-law house. She's Filipino, right?
Yeah.
She cook. I saw it, but I make it, and then it's no good.
Yeah. Filipino and Chinese good to cook that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
this
Vietnamese,
noodles,
yeah.
She always is good.
Yeah. the noodles you boil or just soak in water.
So with the water is good.
Yeah, that's it, and then soak it and then drain. After that, the vegetable you cook, you fry, right? You put the noodles.
That could
Yeah,
be,
and then
yeah.
mix. That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Next time I do like that.
Yeah. Just soak the noodles on the water. And then
Just
you
just normal water,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Mhm. Yeah.
You soak it and then if separate, you drain, and then the one you cook the vegetable, right? After that, you put the noodles and then mix everything. That's it.
My kids like it. When they going there, Vagina is making like that.
Yeah.
That noodles.
Yeah.
Because it's my kids like it, that noodles. That's why.
Yeah. They like noodles. Huh?
It's not heavy one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, other noodles heavy.
Yeah, other noodles. Because at Filipino party, sometimes you can try noodles, right? Yeah. See, oh, Saila, look. It's not like a desert in Saudi Arabia. Here is snow. Yeah, nothing. Look. Oh no, why have truck here? This shortcut too. Maybe the Christmas tree closed now.
No, it's still open.
Wow.
Because they need money.
No, maybe solar power. That's why they didn't stop lights. Look, all white. This afternoon, Clarissa bring the pancit. But just for our team. It's good, so much. You can put also the some if you want add some like squid balls like that. You can add
What's that?
fish ball.
Fish ball. Oh.
Yeah, and then tofu. If you want to add that, you can put.
Ah.
You can fry the tofu on the garlic first. You go.
See, stack up.
You fry with oil, garlic, onion, carrots. You slice tiny.
Yeah. And
Beans.
yeah,
Any vegetable,
Yeah.
beans, like small beans or long beans. And then cabbage, important cabbage. Yeah, and pepper, bell pepper, the big bell pepper.
Yeah.
And celery, more delicious, celery. Bell pepper, celery, cabbage, carrots, beans, that's it. And then chicken. You fried everything. And then put soya sauce,
Soy sauce and then
black
put,
pepper.
Then put little bit water and roll it, right?
Yeah, just little bit water. And then the soak pancit, you drain, you mix it, and then mix everything.
Oh, okay.
And then taste it.
Okay, next week I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
Then
If
this
you
week,
see
only-
Guinness mix.
Only one bag I'm going to bake and buy.
Yeah,
Not more than that.
yeah. And then mix, then till dry. But don't put too much water. Just the,
Mashed potato, right?
yeah. I didn't see the Christmas tree. Maybe up.
The light?
No lights.
Maybe too early.
There. I see the top. I see the star.
See the
This
star?
the lights, right?
Star.
And then
Star on top.
yeah,
Maybe that one, I don't know.
yeah, X like this.
Oh my god. I come out at 3:45 about. Yes. But right now
5,
is
45, 6, 45, 3
yeah,
hours.
Yeah.
5:36.
Yeah. Look at the car. Get out to the left. We're here at Derry Road. Is this Derry Road?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, see the road. We travel almost 1 hour. We will don't turn it up. We will check how many hours we travel from my work to here, to our house. We're here in Derry Road, Mississauga. Excellent care. Why they call me? Hello? I'm good. Oh, me? Yeah. 24? Wait, I'm in the car. Wait, I record. I get the pen. Oh no. We're on the road. Wait, I write on my phone. Okay, January. Sorry? Oh, April. Oh no. Ay, yeah, finish. April 24. 12:20 a.m. Oh, not 12:20 afternoon. Oh, a.m. Midnight. Okay. 12:20 April 24 at 12:20 a.m. Brampton Civic Hospital. Oh yeah, okay, I know this. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Pinagto silaping. Ay, may MRI for my shoulder.
Oh,
April, oh my goodness.
April 24.
Oh my. April 24. I said January 24. Ay,
no,
silaping. Ha ha ha. 24 is finished. Oh no. I have yeah, remember April 24 midnight
That's why I'm
20 a.m. Yeah, Brampton Civic Hospital. Oh my goodness.
Why are they doing midnight?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe only the one is vacant. Oh my. What
All
is?
her is asked again.
Yeah.
Ask
No,
again.
no, I asked again. Yeah, 12:24 a.m. Not 12 noon. I asked. No, 12:20 a.m. She said. Oh. What day is that?
No, ask her again. Maybe she forgot. The PM AM Mari. They telling Mari.
No. Sila. I repeat to her.
Repeat her.
Yeah. No,
but
not 12 noon. She said 12 a.m. Midnight. Yeah, midnight. She said.
How come it's midnight?
Yeah, maybe no available. April 24.
No, just confirm.
Oh, it's Monday.
Yeah, confirm. First confirm.
Yeah.
Because I don't think so. 12 AM, somewhere mistake.
Yeah, I asked her 12 up, not 12 afternoon. No, 12 a.m. midnight. She said.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
heard that one, but I think it's something in the airport.
Yeah.
A flight ticket or something. That's why.
I don't know. Why 12:20? Maybe I call again tomorrow.
Yeah, call again. And
But I repeat this.
yeah, you repeat
A.M.
and
She said A.M. After, not afternoon. A.M. Midnight. Oh my goodness.
Tomorrow you call her to confirm.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Right.
I repeat already. So they call again me before this my appointment. They call me again to
Yeah,
remind.
they call
Yeah.
after the week and they call.
Because so many patient.
And you're not sleeping and then you go.
Yeah. So I filed vacation on this day. Oh, look at the road.
Running 30 to 40 speed limit. My
Yeah.
God.
We travel how many hours? Almost 1 hour.
And me, what time?
Or
54,
I
right?
finished my work
Yeah.
at 3:45.